Calling number one.
Hey, man, what's up? This Dominique from Shady No Trailer Park.
What's up, Dominic?
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today's video is an unboxing video, and I already opened it because I just did the video and I think I want to do it over. So with that being said, I already opened it. But hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today's video is a video on well, not really on anything, an unboxing video. So I bought hair from Aliexpress. The vendor is Aligrace. This isn't my first time buying purchasing hair from them, but it's been a very, very long time. So let's see if they switch anything up or, you know, anything of that nature. So I remember the hair being good, of course, because that's why I'm purchasing it again. But I am gonna get longer. I decided to get longer hair this time. The last time I got a hair, probably like 12-inch. I had made it into like a little bob, whatever. But this here is a 20-inch closure, a 22, 24, and 26-inch bundles. And it came in a bag like this. I purchased it on Thursday night, late Thursday night, and it came today, which is a Monday. So that's really fast. It cost about $200, a little over $200, maybe like $209. I had a coupon, so $204, which is I thought was somewhat feasible since I got 26-inch hair. So it came in a bag like this from FedEx. And then a brochure came in it, and it just talks about how and when to wash your hair, tips for care at night, and for tips for styling with heat. Basically, it also came with a pack of lashes. Now I don't remember either one of these coming with the purchase I purchased a while ago, which was about 2 years ago. So yeah. And so this is what my closure looks like. Baby hairs. Yeah, and it's soft. And it's free range. So yeah. The hairs are, it definitely need to be bleached. So if you don't care to bleach or don't know how to bleach, then you may not want to go with this vendor, or at least not the straight hair, because I got straight. And it comes with a little tag, green tag, that says Aligrace, and this is a 26-inch. It said it's double width and natural. The color is natural. This is what the width looks like, which is pretty thick. I got 3 bundles too, and of course it smells just like any other hair you get. Not bad. I can rub my fingers through, so it's very nice. Same with this. This is with my 24. Same with this one. So yeah. And the bag, of course, looks like this. My 22. So nothing special here. Yes, so that is what the hair looks like, smell like, and how fast it comes, which is pretty fast. That's really fast. I was expecting it tomorrow. Came today. This one kind of smells funny. When I opened it just now, it hit me. But nothing unbearable. So yeah, I plan on installing this hair pretty soon, probably before the week is out. So I'm gonna probably end up doing a review on how I like the hair because it's getting chilly out, and you know I had to go big or go home. Just simple, like. So yeah. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. You to know.